Alright guys, today we're taking a look at a brand new smartphone from Honor, the Honor X80i. This device comes with a sleek design, a high refresh rate AMOLED display, a capable Dimensity chipset, and surprisingly, a massive 7,000 mAh battery. So, in this video, let's break down the key features and see what this phone really offers. Starting with the design, the Honor X80i looks clean and modern with a slim profile at just 7.3 millimeters and a weight of 185 grams. It uses a glass front and back with an aluminum frame, giving it a more premium feel. And it's not just about looks. This phone is IP66 rated for dust and water resistance, and it can handle drops up to 1.8 meters. Moving to the display, this phone features a 6.6-inch AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It supports 1 billion colors and has very high brightness levels, up to 2,000 nits in high brightness mode. The resolution is 1200 by 2600, which gives you sharp visuals and a smooth viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6500 Elite chipset. It's paired with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 512 gigabytes of storage, although there's no micro SD card slot. For daily use, multitasking, and even light gaming, this setup should perform quite smoothly. For the camera, you get a 50-megapixel main sensor with PDAF. It supports features like HDR and panorama and can record video at 1080p 30 FPS. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel selfie camera, also capable of 1080p video. Now this is one of the highlights, a massive 7,000 mAh battery. This should easily last more than a full day of usage. It supports 45-watt wired charging and even has reverse wired charging, which is a nice bonus. For additional features, you get stereo speakers, an in-display fingerprint sensor, NFC, infrared, and Android 16 with Magic OS 10. Overall, the Honor X80i offers a solid combination of design, display, performance, and battery, making it an interesting option in its price range. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.